guys, it's IDW, and today we are going to be discussing the first type of memory that is going to come up in this series. It's one of the most useful types of memory. It's one that is definitely used in the computer that you're using. And yeah, if you want to know anything about memory, this is just about as essential as it gets. This right here is what is called read-only memory. So that begs the question, what is read-only memory? And the answer is, it's a type of memory that you can read from, but you can't write from. It's sort of like you have a sheet of paper, and you can't really write on, but you can it's like a book. There we go. It's like a book that you would read, and every single page, you can write in it if you really, really, really want to, technically with a book, but with read-only memory you can't do that. And yeah, it's just something that you read to gain information. So an example of this might be a thumbnail for an application that your computer comes with automatically, like Internet Explorer on a PC, what's it called, Safari on a Mac, and any number of other things, as well as desktop pictures, well, at least your default one. So yeah, that's what read-only memory is useful for. So let's take a look as to what exactly I've done right here. So you remember from the previous episode, we made this decoder right here, right? Well, this decoder right here is basically, it will, whenever we press this button, it will output, well, one of these wires will turn off for every single different state that the two levers can be in. Now, if you just attach redstone torches to this, you can say that, like in this state, then it will read off of this memory line. In whatever state this is, it'll just read off of this memory line. It's this one, by the way. And in the one where this state turns on, it'll output whatever value is attached to these torches, and whenever this state is on, it'll output whatever is attached to these torches. So, yeah. And they're all put onto the same bus so that we can all read them out. And if we just press this button really quickly, you will see that the 3 we have stored in for state 0 gets read out. And when I was making this decoder, I actually accidentally made this be the least significant bit. Generally, you want to put your least significant bit on the right, but what can you do? So we read that one out, and it's a 5. Yep. That's not the 3 we read out from the first one. If we do the very last one, then this should be like 6 or 4. Yeah, 6. And then if we just read this one out, then I don't know what this one is. But it's going to be different. So yeah, basically that's the point of read-only memory, and that's basically just about everything that's useful for. Oh yes, might as well mention that most redstone computers actually work by just having a whole bunch of read-only memory for the program memory. Personally, I don't really get why so many people do that. I mean, it's a viable way to do it, but it's just like you can't make an OS with that, or an operating system, because all of your applications would already be stored in read-only memory, and you can't write your own ones while the computer is running. Yeah. Anyways, off of that topic, that's all there really is to read-only memory. It's a fairly simple topic. In the next video, we're going to be getting into random access memory, which is a step up after that. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.